Good afternoon, children. So, here today we will start our second term course, and the first chapter is lesson number 8, Mapping Your Way. Now, we will have some introduction about this chapter. Okay, so some important points are mentioned here, that is, what is map, what are the examples of map, then what is about direction we will learn, what is direction, which directions are there, then we will learn about the scale and proportion. Okay, so first of all we will go to the first topic, that is what is map. So map is actually what? So map is a visual representation or a drawing of places on a flat surface. Map can help us to locate places. It can help us to find routes and distance. You can find maps in schools, malls, metros, airports and so on. Okay? Map having marking on them which give very useful information. Okay? And a map can be of a large area such as world map, country map. Okay? And it is having states on that marked. Now, here there is one example of a map. So we will talk about the Red Fort. So this is the interior part. Okay, the map is made like this way. So this is a ring road there. How the road is mentioned on the map, you see. Okay, like this is Diwan-e-Am is given here. Diwan-e-Khas is given here. Here, this is Diwan-e-Am. This is Diwan-e-Khas. This is Moti Masjid. Okay, this is Aramgarh, Rang Mahal. So many things are mentioned here. This is Meena Bazaar over here. So fully this Red Fort is there. Okay, this everything it is mentioned over here on the map. But how they are mentioning? What are the directions? How they mention that this place will come here, this place will come here. So we will learn with the help of these directions. So direction is that where something is pointing or towards someone or something is moved. It may be north, south, east, west are all directions, or you can say up, down, left and right. Okay, now here this might be you have seen in a magnetic compass. What is magnetic compass? So there is one compass is there that is having a magnetic needle which always shows to the north direction. Okay, and in that also this four alphabets are written. So what these four alphabets mean? So N for north, E for east, okay, S for south and W for west. Now we are having four direction, north, and opposite of north is south, and we are having east, the opposite of east is west. Okay, so these four directions are there. With the help of these directions you can find out any route. Okay, now this where now I will ask you the question, where this compass we are using, means right now in your school, so you are not using this compass, so where you are using? So this magnetic compass are used there where the people are going on adventures, or they are going on cruise, they goes on the ship and all. Now here on the road you are having, there is a mark over there. Okay, on the road it is written everything that this place there. Now you have to take right turn, you have to take left turn. But when these people are there like aeroplane and all, when it's move, so they up in the sky or in the sea, this there is no way it is there. Okay, so that you can take, means you can move. So in that time, at that time they are using the magnetic compass and they locate their place, that in which direction this there, and in that direction with the help of this compass will show you the direction, that here north there, here east there. If you want to go somewhere where it is in west side, so you will take this side turn. Okay, now we will go to the next part. See here, this is your classroom there. Now where is the blackboard? So it is in the north direction. Where is the table? Here in the center. These are all the desks. Your chair there for teacher. Your windows are there. Okay, your doors are there. And this is almirah, means might be you are having cupboard in your class. So this is the structure there, map you can see of your classroom. Now on the map how we are representing these things. This all means whatever city there or something is there, we want to locate them on a map. How we are doing, like Ahmedabad city, it is very huge city, okay, and we can measure them in kilometers also, but on a paper how we will mention? So at that time we have to see this formula: actual distance, what is the actual distance, and map distance. Okay, you can bifurcate them in inches also, you can convert them into centimeters also. Okay, like example, from Ahmedabad to Mumbai you want to go, so from Ahmedabad to Mumbai 500 kilometers there, but on this Gujarat here on the India map, how you will mention this? So what we can do, you know what these people do, they convert this 500 kilometer into either into the centimeter or inches, and then they represent it on the map. That is called our scale. So the scale of a map is the ratio of a distance on the map to corresponding distance on the ground. Okay, now we will go to the next one. So here, now this is a bus stop, your house, here hospital is there, here temple, and here post office, and these are the directions you have to learn. This is north, south, east and west. Now you are standing at your home. If you want to go to the bus stop, which direction it is? So it is in the north direction. How much kilometer? 1 kilometer. Now where is the temple? In the south direction. How much kilometer? 3 kilometers. Okay, like on the basis of this you can answer the following questions. Now what is grid? So you know children, grid. So a grid is a set of intersecting horizontal and vertical lines defining columns and rows. Elements can be placed onto the grid within these columns and rows lines. Okay, now you know, have you seen on magazines, on newspapers, we are seeing the picture, exact image we are getting. Okay, how this exact image we are getting? So we are getting with the help of these grids. Okay, so here I will explain you one with the help of one example. See here this. Okay, now this lightning deer there, here this is in a half centimeter grid it is drawn. But if the same image I want to draw it but little big, little enlarged, enlargement I want. So what should I do? Directly I cannot draw, okay, because then it will have like shape will change little, size will be changed, but I want exact. Then what should I do? So on this I will make grids. See here, like these grids made. Now I will take in the first box, first square, how much portion is used. So in this grid, 2 centimeter grid also I have to use the same measurement, means same portion I will put. Now in the second grid, how much there, second square, that much portion only I will draw here. And like this way in the third one, in the fourth one, here I will draw. And like this, from the half centimeter grid I can make the 2 centimeter grid, I can make the image. And you know this image will be exactly same, but the difference will be this is small in size and this is large in size. Okay, so here this was the chapter about map, directions, about grids. So more exercises, more sums we will learn in detail in the further exercise. Okay, I hope so you have understood. Thank you.